All right, everybody, I am making this little video here to ask for somebody's help. I'm just a little bit confused about this, and believe me, I looked on a lot of YouTube videos to try to find this out, but there are so many thousands of videos on this Phantom 4 that I just said, oh crap, I'll just make my own video and just ask somebody to tell me what they know about this. Okay, so, I got this Phantom 4 a couple of weeks ago. Flies great. I finally did the update on it. Everything's good. So anyway, I said, well, I knew they had them low noise props, which are right here. And I said, well, let me get a set of those. So I ordered a set, and while I'm waiting for them to come, I went on there and when I typed in the Phantom 4 low noise props, the first video that came up was, Ken Heron's video on these props, right? So, hey, I like Ken, so I said, I'll watch, Ken's video on this. And, the thing about Ken's videos is, one thing, at least you're going to be entertained. Maybe to some people, it might not be real informative if you already know a lot about drones, but at least you're going to laugh, because every time he makes a video, I always laugh at least a few times during the video. So his videos are funny, so I'll give him that. But so he's doing his video on these props, and he says, well, if you want to use these low noise props on your Phantom 4, you have to get this kit, which I bought. I said, oh, okay, I didn't know I needed that kit. It's these little adapter plates. And the picture on the package wasn't really that clear, but he said, that comes with the plates and the springs and all these little screws in here. And it does. Okay, all those parts are in there. I never opened that up. So I got the props and the bag of adapter plates. So I go here to take the prop off of this one right here. And then I go to put this on, and I notice that this thing will go right on there without using these plates. So I don't know what that was all about, because these seem to fit on here, really well, really snug. And these plates here, you'll see this thing. I'm going to get that in there real close. That plate, or that adapter that's on here already, looks just like these things that are in that bag. So if anybody knows what the heck is going on with that, do I still need to use these, or is this okay to use? Now, the only thing difference between these and this here is these have the little springs. They have like this little spring steel right here all the way around, 3 pieces of it that go all the way around on here that push down. And that gives you your tension going down, and then your tension pulling and going back up on the prop. So that keeps the prop tensioned up against the fitting here. So you push down on the spring steel, which would be the same thing as pushing down on that spring, which would be in that centerpiece. So if anybody knows, should I put these on here, or is this good enough? I'm just not sure. All right, guys. But these seems to fit on there no problem, So I don't know. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. If you know anything about it, please put it in the comments.